Imagine this scenario. Your support team is using Salesforce and the development team is using Jira. Both teams have to keep switching between platforms to access relevant data. This leads to unnecessary gaps and errors as information can get lost in translation. The solution? Integrating your Salesforce and Jira platforms. Salesforce and Jira integration lets you exchange information across teams for improved data visibility. It facilitates enriched insights that streamline workflows and optimize your customer support. Explore integrating Salesforce and Jira, a complete guide for detailed insights on effectively syncing the two platforms for maximum team productivity, faster case resolution, complete data transparency, improved customer experience. Download the ebook by clicking the link in the description or scanning the QR code below. For more information, reach out to us at info@graziti.com or visit us at www.synergify.com.